Today we're going to be working on this S2000. We're going to do some maintenance, engine oil, transmission fluid, differential, brake pads, brake fluid, and brake lines. So we're going to get this thing ready to go to the track day. Cody's going to be here helping me. And in the last video we did with this car, we cleaned it. We really polished the whole thing. It's looking great. So now we need to get it stopping great. So let's get to work. So these are the brake lines and the brake pads that we're using on this S2000. Hawk HP Plus pads. This is a really good track pad. And it works good on the street too. It's just, you know, it's going to chew the rotors up pretty quick. But stainless steel brake lines, and we've got Motul RBF 600 as well. And it's like the pads. Already out. Rotors are in pretty good shape. They're going to get trashed anyway, so I'm not going to replace them. They aren't. They're not like warped or grooved or anything, so they should be okay. Everything else is going to hold up. Just wanted to do this little maintenance work before we get out there and blow the brake pads off this thing. Alright, the S2000 is done. It's ready to go. New brakes, new brake pads, new brake lines, new brake fluid, differential change, transmission fluid, and engine oil with the right Honda filter. It's shining good. This thing runs great, stops great. It's going to be a lot of fun to see how different this thing drives than the FK8. And obviously it's not really a fair comparison because the FK8 is literally like 5 times as fast as this thing, but man, it's such a good car to drive. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And again, if you have some suggestions about what we should do to this car, you know, drop some comments. Let us know. You know, we're definitely going to keep modding it, going to keep developing the car to make it cooler, more fun to drive. You know, and just keep it nice, keep it good. That's what we're going to do. Thanks for watching.